In this video, we'll look at a pretty standard example of working with measurement. And in this case, we've got a cylinder and it's going to be filled with spherical marbles, just marbles as we know them, which are spheres. The container has a radius of R, it has a height of H, and the volume, they could have said 300 milliliters, which converts to 300 centimeters cubed. The radius of each marble is 0.75 centimeters, and then they lovingly give us a couple of formulas here to work with. And so let's dive into the question. Show that the height of the container H can be given in this form. And so what I often like to do is think they've given me the volume, and so let's work with the volume formula, pi r squared times height. And I know the volume, the radius is just capital R squared, and that's H. And if I need H by itself, I'm in one step just going to divide all of this to the bottom. So that's pi R squared, and there you've got H as they wanted it. Second bit of the question, the container is filled with 100 marbles, and then water is poured into a container until the water reaches the top of the container. Calculate the volume of water that was poured into the container. And so we need the volume of a marble, and so it's going to be the volume of a marble is 4 over 3 pi, and the radius is 0.75 cubed, and I have 100 marbles, so I'm just going to times that by 100, and that gives me an answer of roughly 176.71 centimeters cubed. And so that's the space taken up by the marbles themselves, but we know that it's 300 centimeters cubed volume. And so what volume is left over? What is the water? It would just be the total volume minus the volume taken up by marbles. And so the volume of water would be 123.29 centimeters cubed. Or if you wanted, like I said, you could have said 123.229 milliliters. I hope that you found that helpful. This is a very common question, the cylinder. So it's a good one to learn the formulas that you can off by heart. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your friends. Thanks a lot.